to my channel. If you haven't been here before, please hit that subscribe button below. Hi, my name is Lexi. I am the owner of Lexi Baby Cosmetics and Designs. I make a whole bunch of different things for my brand. This kind of has oil on it already, guys, but I will be showing you how I make my face serum. This is the aloe vera face serum. I am going to start coming out with the aloe vera and rose petal face serum or something like that. I don't know, something along that lines, but yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do that, go ahead and keep watching. And if you hear anything, my daughter is in the background playing with her toys. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. First, you want to sanitize your area. I did this earlier, but yes, I do a lot of crafts on this table, but it is clean, I promise you. I usually put like a tablecloth down because I don't want to make it any messier than it is, but I'm out of them. But this is the container I'm putting in. I already have the label on it. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And this little dropper, I have used one before. I'm going to make my own personal one again because I absolutely love it. First off, let me use one of my gloves here. I need my other hand to unscrew stuff with, but I use aloe vera gel. This has some sparkles on it. A little bit of castor oil, some vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil, or jojoba. I don't even know how you guys say that. And then some grapeseed oil. It's a whole bunch of oils, but they're good for your face. I might not use all of them. Those are the oils I usually use with a lot of my stuff that I make, but let's start off. You want more of the aloe vera gel than anything. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the aloe vera juice, like a little capful. Squirt of vitamin E oil. A little bit of jojoba. I don't even know how you guys say this, guys. And a little bit of grapeseed. Just a whole bunch of good oils that are good for your face. I don't want to make it too oily, so if it is too oily, all I'm going to do is add a little bit more aloe vera. But guys, I'm going to get the spoon out. Put away all my oils. Guys, I just started like reorganizing everything in my room and I love it. It just feels so much better. Okay, then I'm just stir it up. So you guys can use a blender, but I'm still looking for one. I'm gonna get one just for my business because I don't want to use my cooking one for this stuff just because, you know, it's just, I don't know. I don't like mixing oils on stuff, and then because oils are hard to get off of blenders. Well, anything. I mean, not really hard, it just takes a minute. This seems about good. I just keep stirring until I feel like it's done. I'm gonna add one more like little bit of grapeseed. Other than that, it feels really good on the skin. If you are trying to test it on yourself to make sure like what it feels like on the skin, just pour it into a little separate bowl. You don't want to contaminate it if you are selling this, but this one is a personal one. Okay. I'm gonna take this and let me get one of my things real quick. I am gonna start making one with rose petals because I hear a lot of people want me to try and make that. So anyways, I just pour it in. And if you are selling them, please remind your customers to shake it well before use. Just because if it's sitting for a while, the oils tend to, you know, clump up in certain areas. But that's what it looks like. I did give my label a little oily, so let's put a new one on. But yes, this is how I make my face serum. And it's great to use after the shower or before you put makeup on. It just hydrates your skin very well. So yes guys, that's how I make it. If you want to know how I make my labels, go ahead and let me know. I will show you how I do that. I definitely am going to start adding like shake well in there on them, just because oil tends to clump up in certain areas just because not all of them mix together well. That's why I want to get a blender so they do. But definitely gonna start making rose petal ones too. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I make a whole bunch of cool things for my business, my brand. I make a whole bunch of cool things for my brand, and I'm always trying something new. I love doing DIYs and all that stuff, because if somebody wants to start their own business, they need to know how to start, you know, somewhere. And that's what I did, was check out YouTube. But not a lot of people show like stuff like this that they make. But yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.